Welcome to Shree's Crafting Show. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this Halloween theme bedroom. Let's get started. Take a piece of cardboard, orange paper, glue stick and scissors and glue it like this. Make a white base, a black wall and an orange wall. Stick them together. We are going to make spiders next. So take some hot glue, plop some blobs like this, and take a smaller blob and glue it while the big blob is still hot. Yes. Now we are going to attach some spider feet like this. I made this shape with foam sheet. Make all like this and I made 10. Paint them all black. Now take some aluminium foil and make this shape as shown in the video. Make 2. Now wrap the aluminium foil ball around some orange clay. Cut off the excess clay and smoothen it. Make curves all around the pumpkin like this. Do it to both of your pumpkins. Next, take some black clay and then we are going to make triangle eyes and a triangle nose. Make the mouth like this of the pumpkin. We are going to make the green stem now. So take some green clay and then make it into the shape and make some textures like this. Stick the stem to the pumpkin. Sorry guys, I missed filming the bed. So what you do is take a piece of foam and you cover it with cloth. Keep it aside. Next, take a piece of cloth, any cloth is fine, and we are going to use it for the blanket or bed sheet, whatever you call it. The pillow, you need to stuff some cotton in a piece of cloth and glue it. Sorry guys, I forgot to film it. And then draw a face like this. Are you scared? I bet you are. Next, we are going to use a glue stick to stick some cotton on the walls to look like spider webs. Next we are going to make a drawer. So make this template and use this measurement. Put it all together like shown in the video. Then we are going to glue a piece of paper onto the cardboard piece we made. Then we are going to glue 4 cardboard strips. Paint it all brown. We are going to make a witch hat. So first make this shape. And then make it into a cone shape and glue it. Trace a circle and cut it and glue it to the cone. We are going to stick a yellow strip and then we are going to glue it to the cone. We are going to next take a plastic straw and put hot glue in both the sides to make a candle. Paint it. While the paint is drying, we are going to cut out Happy Halloween out of foam sheet and glue it. After the plastic has dried, we are going to cut a piece of foam sheet, which is gonna look like fire for the candle, and glue it. Now we are going to make Halloween basket. For that I have taken old glue stick and painted them white and orange, and I'm gonna draw a ghost and a pumpkin face. Next we are going to glue strips of foam sheet to look like Halloween basket handles. Now we are going to make lollipop. So follow the instructions shown in the video because it's hard to explain. We're going to twist it and roll it, and we are going to make a lollipop circle. Cut paper clips to look like lollipop sticks. And stick them. I've made a lot of candy and I will show you how to make it in my next video. Now let's place everything. This is looking awesome and a bit scary. Not really though. Let's take a mini tour. Looking interesting, I see. I hope you guys liked this Halloween video. If you did, give this video a like. Please subscribe and bye.